what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to be checking out the KBO Breeze step-thru. This is a Commuter Ebike. Before we get into it, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Hit that thumbs up button, and also ring that notification bell for future notifications of our videos. I can also save you some money on this KBO e-bike or any other e-bike from KBO by using our affiliate link in the description below. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so this is a very nice looking e-bike from KBO. The model is a Breeze and it is a step-thru model. The frame on this bike is an aluminum frame weighing around 62 pounds. All right, we got it in the white color. This is a 48 volt e-bike. The in-frame battery is a 16 amp hour battery. And they say you can get up to 55 miles of range on a single charge. And obviously that's the lowest level of pedal assist. They do include a 3 amp quick charger with the bike. So it's nice to be able to get that quick charge and back to riding as soon as possible. The max capacity, the max load of this bike is 300 pounds. And the current price for this Breeze KBO step-thru model is $13.49. So it's on sale right now. The normal price is $14.99. All right, so let's get into some of the specs here. So we're gonna start at the back of the bike with the motor. This is a 750 watt brushless motor. It has a decent amount of torque. This bike does have mechanical disc brakes. We would have loved to see the hydraulic disc brakes on this bike, but I guess that was probably to keep the price on the low side. All right, the tires that come on this bike are Panasonic 27.5 by 2.4 inch. And I did not know Panasonic made tires, but I guess you learn something new every single day. You've got front and rear fenders. So a nice long rear fender to keep the mud and the dirt off of your back. Again, they only do so much, but at least they have them on there. You have a nice heavy duty rack on the back. You can carry a lot of stuff, or you can put a small child on the back. It looks like there is some damage on the back here. The bike did not come with any touch-up paint, so I think that's one thing that KBO can improve upon is to include touch-up paint to fix things like this, probably that happened during shipping. You have a tail light and functional brake light in the back. Just note there are no turn signals on this bike. You have your pedals there and your crank arms, and there is your controller, so easy access if you need to change it out, anything like that. All right, you do have a Shimano 7-speed, and it looks like the crank is on the smaller size. We would have loved to see that a little bit bigger to make pedaling easier. And this is something we'd love to see, is they actually included a bolt-on water bottle holder. So really nice, and it bolts on with the included bolts that are on the frame when you open the bike. And there is your front tire, same as the back, a 27.5 by 2.4 inch. So not a fat tire e-bike. We'll have to see how that does on the road and even off-road. We'll test that out. You do have your long front fender here, and you do have a front headlight here. We would have loved if this was a little bit brighter. It seems to be on the dim side. So if KBO wants to improve something else, they can work on that headlight. You do have an adjustable front fork, so you can play with the settings to your liking as far as your weight goes. And like I said, this bike will support riders up to 300 pounds. Now they do say this bike will accommodate riders from 5'2" all the way up to 6'3". The seat is pretty nice. Looks like it is a KBO branded seat. It's got some nice padding on it. Some of these seats that come on these bikes are pretty uncomfortable, so it's nice to see a nice comfy seat on the KBO Breeze step-thru. We do have an adjustable seat. You do have to use a key to unlock the battery and to remove it from the bike, but to put the battery back into the bike, you do not have to lock the battery into place. It will lock by itself. We did get a little damage here as well. Again, I wish there was some touch-up paint in the box. I'm just not sure where that red came from, but. So we'll move on to the handlebars. You have your left brake here, the faux leather grip, which you see coming a lot on these bikes nowadays. You have a nice bell here. You have a nice display, so to turn the display on, you're gonna hold down the mode button or the M button, and this will turn on. It's nice and simple, easy to read. It shows your speed, your power level, your mileage, and also your pedal assist, which you can move up and down with the plus and minus button. You do have 5 levels of pedal assist on this bike. You can also turn pedal assist off to 0. Got some good cable management on this bike as well, so it's nice to see all these are tidied up. Moving over to the right-hand side, you do have your Shimano shifter. You have your half throttle here and your half full leather grip, as well as your right handlebar lever. That's it for the handlebars. But guys, just from looking at the bike, it looks like pretty well made e-bike. All right guys, as always, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop on the bike and get our first ride impressions on the performance and how comfortable it is, and let you guys know what we think. If you guys have any questions regarding the specs on the bike, please let us know in the comments below. We get back to everybody. All right, so let's jump on this bike and see what it's got. All right guys, so we're on the KBO Breeze step-thru electric bike. Right away, somewhat comfortable. So not the most comfortable bike, but I can't see it bothering us too much. You know, at least for the first like 30 minutes or so. The seat is pretty cushy. I'm liking the riding position. The handlebars are nice too because they come back into you or towards you, I guess. So definitely not a bad riding position. As far as the torque goes, it's not the torquiest bike. You know, we're talking about a 750 watt motor. So definitely, you know, not the most powerful bike, but I don't think people that are looking for something like this are looking for the power. It's definitely nice and smooth. Let's see what we can get for top speed. Alright, so it looks like we're hitting about 25 miles per hour for top speed. We're at pedal assist level 5, which is your top level of pedal assist. So it seems like 25 miles per hour is your top speed. Guys, keep in mind, I'm 6'2", 260 pounds, so your top speed could be a little bit different. But yeah, we're getting about 25 miles per hour for top speed. The brakes are okay. Honestly, you know, I know we say it a lot, but we'd rather see hydraulic disc brakes than mechanical. They just work better and they feel better. But obviously, to get that lower price point, you definitely have to skimp on some things. The display is nice and easy to read. Very simple. Your pedal assist level, your power level, battery level, and your speedometer. You've also got your odometer here as well, and the KBO branding on the display. You can switch your pedal assist by turning it all the way down or going all the way up, and you can definitely feel it instantly change that power level. It tells you how much power is going into the bike. Going on the 1. Let's see what the top speed is on the 1. Yeah, you can definitely feel the bike slowing down, maybe around 8 miles an hour. Bumped up to level 2. Level 2 is getting us about 11 miles per hour. 3 is about 15. 4 is about 18, 19, maybe 20. And 5 is going to be, like we said before, 25 miles per hour. The front, as far as the suspension goes, at least on the road, feels pretty good. The rear, obviously the lack of suspension is going to feel more stiff. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it on our trail here and see how it does on rougher terrain. Alright, surprisingly not bad, especially for the smaller non-fat tires. Yeah, definitely not that bad. I hear some rattling in the front, not really sure what that is, but it doesn't sound like anything too alarming. Yeah, I'm surprised. Would have thought it'd been a lot rougher in the back, but the bike seems to do a good job taking those bumps. I think it maybe the seat, yeah, it's not bad. I could definitely see this being you know, a commuter bike in town for maybe the older crowd. It's kind of got that a normal or a regular bicycle look to it. Takes a little bit to get up to speed, but I mean, like I said, with 750 watt motor, you're not looking to break, you know, world speed records here. I think it might be the fenders rattling. I think that's what that is. The grips are nice. You know, higher speeds, bigger bumps, you're definitely going to feel it more in the back with the lack of rear suspension, but yeah, I'm not minding it, guys. So if you're looking for something low key with a good amount of power, good top speed at 25 miles per hour, you know, good weight capacity at 300 pounds. If you're looking to lose some weight and get some exercise, this might be a good option for you. The fact that it's a step-through is a plus too, so you can get all different types of riders. Women, people with bad knees, bad backs. All right, that's a little rough. Going to a little higher speeds. Yeah, definitely not made for this, but you gotta test it out, right? Yeah, if you're looking for someone that, you know, wants to step through and wants something low key and looks like an ordinary bike almost, and you just kind of pedal around and go at low speeds around town. It's definitely not a bad bike. And I don't mind these tires either. They're not terrible. But yeah, I think this is what it was made for, guys. I think it's made for on the road, cruising around town, commuting, and it does a really good job of that. Yeah, I mean, stuff like this, it's not terrible. It's actually a nice ride. Right now, it's hard to feel resistance going that speed in 5th gear. You know, 6 and 7, you're gonna get some resistance, but 5, if you're going like anything over 20, you're not gonna feel the resistance. So yeah, it's a nice ride. Now, if you're gonna be doing anything off-road or rougher terrain, things like that, this may not be the bike for you. But if you're looking for a commuter bike with decent speed, 25 miles per hour, it's not bad. Getting up the hill, slowing down, but about 14 miles per hour. Yeah, not terrible, guys. And it's on sale for $13.49, I believe, on KBO's website. They do offer the non-step-through as well. But honestly, I think this bike, the step-through, is going to appeal to more people. So I want to check this one out. We can save you some more money by using our affiliate link in the description below. And it helps out the channel, so we really appreciate you guys doing that. The regular price is $14.99. Another good commuting e-bike option out there. And if you guys have any questions about this bike, again, leave them in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to answer for you. And we get back to every single person. So, alright guys, but thanks for watching. We appreciate you. And until next time, peace out.